increases crime rate. But I have two answers for this, yeah. If you look with the point of logic, that is not true at all. Do you actually believe that less crime will occur when criminals can get away with murder? According to Michael Zaleski, March 2012, Standard Ground may actually encourage retaliatory acts through the use of deadly force. This is important because the crime was committed in the split second when the victim pulled the trigger. All of this relied on the individual subjective training, and we all know that one cannot make good decisions when under pressure and doubt. 2. According to Tampa Bay Times, the drop of crime rate has nothing to do with passing Standard Ground law. It says crime rates have been dropping more than 12% before the law was enacted, and have continued to drop after that. Furthermore, there is no evidence to prove that the drop of crime rate was caused by the Standard Ground law. Therefore, we find this argument irrelevant altogether. My opponent says Standard Ground law values human life. My answer for this is that argument is flawed. If you believe that Standard Ground values all human life, not only should the good guys live be valued, so should any other human. By enacting the law, it gives permission for any random person to shoot another. How is that valuing human life? Standard Ground protects the innocent. Oh yeah, my opponent says Standard Ground protects the innocent. I have two answers for this argument. 1. Even though this law may seem to protect the innocent by the fact that they can shoot in self-defense, many times when the conflict occurs, the result is even more death. 2. And according to Don and Matt Gates from Florida House of Representatives, May 1, 2012, in a letter, Mr. Don and Matt Gates are stating that Standard Ground does not protect domestic violence victims, which consist of 1/4 of the whole woman population. My opponent said Standard Ground, my opponent said public supports Standard Ground, but my answer to that is Standard Ground is a bad law, and big companies are now turning away from gun lobbyists. Liberal groups are targeting ALEC for its role in spreading the laws. Color of Change led an online campaign urging major businesses to cut ties with ALEC. 3 huge companies, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and Kraft Food, announced they will be ending their membership. Also, they say that they want to spread self-defense around the world, but that is not needed because did you know that Hong Kong, the police don't even carry guns, so there's no use like self-defense because there's no gun. Also, in Taiwan, there's no gun. People can't own gun or whatever. So for these reasons, please vote con.